Morning, guys. I said I'd come on and go through a few of the mental maths questions here today with you. So I'll start with question one. How many edges has a square base pyramid? So if we look at the edges, we can calculate that, how many edges that it has. Okay, that should be fine. How many vertices has a cube? So vertices are here. We know that they are the corners. Okay, where the lines meet here. They're the corners. So the vertices, how many vertices in the cube? Write 6,310 as a numeral for question 3. That looks fine. How many degrees in 2/3 of a right angle? So we all know at this stage, I hope, how many degrees are in a right angle. So we have to get a 2/3 of that amount. Okay, 2/3 of a right angle. Okay. 5 is 200 minus 9 multiplied by 3. Do the brackets first. So it's 9 multiplied by 3 is 200 minus equals Okay. Find the shape, find the area of this shape. Okay, I'll go through that at the side in a minute because that will help us with our maths today also. So I'll go through that at this side in a minute. Question 7 should be grand. It's just an addition. What is the ratio of 27 to 33 in its lowest terms? Okay, so we did loads of ratios before we left school. In its lowest terms, we can break it down 27, 33, find a number that will go into both of those evenly and break down the ratio. Okay. 80 divided by 8 multiplied by something equals 40. So 80 divided by 8 is multiplied by equals 40. That should be fine as well. Question 10, write the lowest common multiple of 6 and 9. So the lowest common multiple, we know the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, etc. We know the multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, and so on. So get the lowest common multiple for both of those. Okay, we've done loads of those at the start of the year. If you need to refresh your memory on lowest common multiples, just go to page 35 in your Cracking Maths book, and there's loads of explanations at the top of that page as to how to get the lowest common multiple. Okay, question 11. 7 and 7/8 is greater than 7.75. Okay, so we've 7 and 7/8 and we've got 7.75. We know that 0.75 is 3/4. Okay, we know that 0.75 is 3/4. So if we change it all into fractions, we have to see then, well, is 7/8 bigger than 3/4? Okay, so we know how to work that out. So is it true or false? And question 12 should be fine as well. It's just an addition. We're adding grams and we're getting the kilograms. Remember, there are 1,000 grams in a kilogram. So if we have a look at question 6, so we'll go back to question 6 and have a look. So we're asked to find the area of this shape, okay? So we need to find the total surface area of all of this shape. So the easiest thing for us to do in this case is to break the shape into two shapes, okay? So if you look down here, we can break this shape into two rectangles. Okay, so we know that look at the information we're given. We know that the length from here to here is 9 centimeters. Okay, and the width from here to here is 8 centimeters. Okay, so we know this rectangle is length by width, so it's 9 centimeters by 8 centimeters. So if we look over here, I'll just show you this rectangle that I have drawn out. And I have broken it into two separate rectangles. Okay, so this first rectangle, our dimensions are going to be 9 centimeters by 8 centimeters. So what we'll do is we'll calculate the area of this rectangle here first. Okay, this top one. So 9 by 8 centimeters is the area of that rectangle, and that is 72 centimeters squared. Now, if we look at all the other information that we're given on this side, we're told that from here to here is 3 centimeters. Okay, so we know that from here to here is 9 centimeters. So what will this be from here to here? It will be 9 minus 3, which is 6 centimeters. So we know this side here of this rectangle is going to be 6 centimeters in length. If the length from here to here is 3 centimeters. Okay, so we take 3 from 9 and we get 6. So the length here is going to be 6 centimeters. Okay, I think I've written it in here underneath, just bear with me. Yeah, it's 6 centimeters, and the width of this rectangle is going to be 3 centimeters also. How do we figure that out? Because we were told that the length from here to here in the shape, okay, from here right down to here is 11 centimeters. And we know that when we've cut off the little rectangle here, we've cut it off at this point, okay? And we're also given the information that from here to here is 8 centimeters. So if the whole thing is 11 centimeters in the shape, and from here to here is 8, 8 minus 11 is 3 centimeters. So it's 3 centimeters from here to here, and from here to here, okay? So we can calculate our area of our shape, our area of our rectangle here, which is the length by the width, which is 6 multiplied by 3, which is 18 centimeters squared. How do we get our total area? We add those two. So they're two separate rectangles now. We add the two areas together, and that gives us our total area. Okay, just coming on here to do the last few of these questions. So we have 13, so there is a sequence of 0.1, 2.1, 4.1, and 6.1. Okay, so that's a sequence, and each one of these numbers are terms in the sequence. Okay, so we have to find the fifth term. Okay, so we need to find a pattern for this term, to find this term. Okay, so I think we can all identify a pattern here. So 0.1 to 2.1 to 4.1 to 6.1. So hopefully that one's okay. Question 14, 16,000 divided by 100. That should be fine. Question 15 is 2 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3. In other words, 2 cubed plus 3 cubed. Okay, so 2 cubed will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, so don't get it mixed up with squared. There's a little 3 over instead of the 2. Okay, so squared, if it was 2 squared, it would be 2 by 2. But now that it's cubed, or to the power of 3, it's 2 by 2 by 2. Okay, the word problems. So Tom's Transport delivers milk all over the country. In an average week, Tom makes 10 deliveries of 250 litres, 20 deliveries of 400 litres, and 15 deliveries of 500 litres. Okay, so how many deliveries does Tom make in a week? Okay, so that one should be fine. So he makes 10 deliveries, 20 deliveries, and 15 deliveries. So you just have to add those. How many litres of milk does he deliver in a week? Okay, so if he makes 10 deliveries of 250 litres, 20 deliveries of 400 litres, 15 deliveries of 500 litres, I think we can calculate how many litres he delivers in a week. Okay, so you have to do a bit of multiplication there. It shouldn't be too bad. If he gets 5 cents per litre, to deliver, how much money does he make? Okay, for this one, so say take for example, he's getting 5 cents per litre. So if he delivers, say for example, I don't know if it is the answer, but if he delivers 12,000 litres, okay, you're going to multiply that by 5 cents. So remember, 5 cents will be 0.05. Okay, if it was 10 cents, it'd be 0.10. If it was 7 cents, it'd be 0.07. Okay, because we're talking about money here. So we're multiplying by 0.05. So 5 multiplied by 0, 0, 5 by 0, 0. Keep our decimal points underneath each other. 5 by 0, 0, 5 by 2 is 10, and 5 by 1 is 5, and 1 is 6. So in this case, he would make €600. Okay, just giving you the example there. I don't know, that probably isn't the answer. I just made that one up. Okay, so best luck with those today, guys, and let me know how you get on.